Hey guys, my name is Sarah. I am here eating things that you can't, won't, or shouldn't. I just received a package of Kit Kats from Japan and I'm super excited to try them with you. So today I have 3 that I'm going to try for you guys. Start out with the simplest and go to the craziest. So today we have ice cream. We have Iyukan, which is a type of citrus in Japan. And then, I'm not even kidding you, and I'm super excited about this, we have cough drop. So I'm gonna save the best for last. Let's start. So I'm opening the ice cream, and it looks, I was surprised, I thought it would just be one color, but it's actually, it's got a little bit of a speckle to it, almost like it's like chocolate bits, even though the base is white. Let's see. I'm really pleasantly surprised by this one. I honestly thought it was just gonna be like boring white chocolate with some chocolate flecks thrown in, but this is actually really good. It does have like a true vanilla, like ice cream vanilla feel, not just like vanilla, but like, or like a plain white chocolate base, but it has like, it tastes like, just scooping ice cream and eating it. I like this one, and I didn't think I would, because like, I think plain vanilla ice cream's boring, but the fact that they got it like in a candy, like so exact, I love it. Next up is the Iyukan citrus. I don't know, for this one I'm kind of expecting like a white chocolate base with citrus flavor, maybe, yeah. So this one, so far, kind of looks how I expect. Like it's orange. I'm thinking maybe white chocolate with citrus flavor. Just, one solid. See how it goes. It's pleasant. I mean, like with any fruit flavor, I'm always afraid that it's gonna taste like chemically and, fake, but I don't know, that kind of has like a creamsicle taste, but not in a fake way, in a good way. But also like a teensy bit of like leafiness. I don't know, maybe earthiness that you don't get with, your common clementine, orange, things like that. I'd love to try an Iyukan in real life. I think based on what the Kit Kat tastes like, I think I'd like it. Save the best for last. Cough drop. I am excited. If this tastes anything like an American cough drop, it's gonna be gross. But maybe their cough drops taste better in Japan, I don't know. So, right now, it looks like it's just like white chocolate. Maybe a tiny tint of color, but it's hard to tell. That's what it looks like. I don't know, let's see if this tastes like menthol and disease. Yeah. I had flashbacks to fevers and, mucus. If what you're looking for in a Kit Kat is cough drop, they definitely got it. They got it down. They got it. It's great. The accuracy is amazing. Would I recommend buying it? Yes, just so you can say you did it. But besides that, I wouldn't buy these to enjoy them. I would buy them just for the novelty of it, really, which I do on a regular basis anyway. That's like half my purchases is novelty sugar purchases. But what I'm saying is Kit Kat has done an amazing job with this 3 getting the flavors down. although I didn't exactly enjoy the cough drop, I enjoyed the new experience of it, and I'm really pleasantly surprised with the other two, with how like accurate they are. Yeah, and I can't wait to try the others that I bought. This is so exciting, you guys. You have no idea. Thanks for watching, and yeah, join me next time.